everyone, it's Geisha Live. In this video, I will make homemade miso ramen. Yay! Yay, 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 yay! In Japan, fresh ramen noodles, broth, and chashu pork are easily available in chilled form. Frozen ramen is also available. The commercial ramen available at the supermarket is very high quality and tasty just like the ramen you get at a restaurant. It is so easy to buy microwavable ramen at convenience stores in Japan. However, here in Germany, we don't have many opportunities to eat ramen. So if you don't have it, you can make it yourself. Today, I made my own homemade ramen. The broth, Chashu Pork, miso paste, and Nitamago are all homemade. For the noodles, I happened to find some frozen ramen noodles made in Japan, so I will use those. So here's how to make chicken and vegetables broth. The soup can be made with chicken broth or pork broth, both of which go well with miso. For the dashi from seafood, I used only kombu, but some people use dried bonito flakes, sakura shrimps, or niboshi. I used only kombu dashi this time to bring out the flavor of miso. Dashi broth is very important for shoyu ramen and shio ramen, so I will use dried bonito flakes and niboshi when I make those types of ramen. Because miso has a strong flavor, it is suitable for beginners, since it can be cheated even if the taste of dashi is a little weak. On the other hand, shio ramen is really all about the dashi, so you can't fake it. If you use the wrong amount of ingredients or use too many ingredients, it will result in a bitter or bland taste, so making dashi is really difficult and delicate. I did not use any chemical seasonings and brought out the full flavor of the ingredients, resulting in a ramen that tastes even better than I imagined, so please stay tuned for the end. Store-bought ramen contains many additives and chemical seasonings, so it is best to make your own healthy ramen. It takes a lot of ingredients and time, but the ramen you make yourself is very tasty. So here's how to make Chashu Pork. By the way, do you know what Chashu pork is? Chashu, also known as Chinese barbecue pork, is a delightful Cantonese dish. The name Chashu translates to pork roast, which refers to the traditional method of cooking this dish. Strips of seasoned pork are skewered with long forks and roasted, resulting in a deep red, sweet and sticky coating. So here's how to make Nitamago.
Silica.
Ramen noodles may be hard to find outside of Japan and other Asian countries, but you might be able to find them at Asian supermarkets. It is best if you can find frozen ramen noodles, but if not, try to find dried wok noodles at the supermarket. Thick, wavy noodles go well with miso soup. It is also important to match the thickness and texture of the noodles with the type of soup.
Good appetit. Sieht richtig lecker aus. Sehr lecker. Sehr, sehr lecker. Sehr, sehr, sehr lecker. Lecker. So delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.